Doug Orseski outside of Doug of Scott Kerner, and about there all by himself in the 26 car, that is John Billhorn. We are going racing this time around, fans, as they're going to pick them up for the Illini Midget Series. They come, green flag, and we're racing.
And it's that 21 car of Christopher Adrian out front.
Chris Adrian didn't have the greatest time last time he was here racing. Looking much better this time around.
Most improved driver in 2018. Looking pretty fast and furious already out there in that 21 machine. In the second spot right now is Tom Iman in that 2 machine. Looks like the number 10 of Mick Billhorn rounding off your top 3.
As Scott Kerner, the 55 super late model driver, doing double duty, and he's in that number 1 car.
Nice.
Definitely a difference running the cars between the Illini and the supers. So should be an interesting challenge for him tonight doing both of these divisions.
As that number 2 car of Tom Iman now your leader. Followed by Scott Kerner. And that 21 machine of Chris Adrian.
Then it's going to be Mick Billhorn, followed by Ryan Finley, and then Doug Orseski.
I was going to say Doug Orseski in a little bit of a battle over there with John Billhorn. Check that. That's Ryan Finley in that 24.
As the 2 leaders are starting to pull away from the rest of the field here in this heat race, it's going to be Amon, followed by Kerner, followed by Mick Billhorn, followed by Chris Adrian, followed by Ryan Finley, Doug Orseski, and then the 26 of John Billhorn. White flag out, 1 to go for Amon.
Tom Iman out of Joliet, Illinois.
Who's it going to be this time around? Is Kerner going to the inside of Iman? It's going to be Iman, followed by Kerner, Billhorn, Adrian, Finley, Orseski, and Billhorn. Wow. Yeah, these drivers having open-wheeled vehicles have to be pushed to be started every time. Definitely don't want to make contact with these cars because if they hit tires, I think they're going to go for a little bit of a flipping ride. Nobody wants to do that.
Tom Iman out of Joliet, Illinois, 3rd-generation driver. Iman Enterprise, prime sponsors for the number 2 machine. As he's all set over there. Steering wheel comes out. He's going to come out of the ride. Let's give it up for the number 2 car of Tom Iman.
Good race up there in the front tonight. Very good race.